Hey there mga my love, Saji! Thank you so much for always being here with me in the channel. So, bago natin simulan ng reading ninyo mga mahal, happy Sunday sa inyong lahat, of course. Sa mga new subscribers, ako po pala si Yan mga babes, na welcome kayo rito. Sana mag-stay kayo rito sa community namin at sa mga returning viewers. Thank you so much sa walang sawa ninyong pagsuporta sa akin dito for almost 2 years na. Woohoo! Thank you so much. You are already part of my journey. Yan. Thank you so much po. So, yan mga babes, naman tayong new channel kung di nyo pa knows. Ang All About Taurus. Hindi naman komo dealing kayo with Taurus, no, mga babes. I mean, kung hindi kayo dealing with Taurus, okay lang yun. Pero kung may Taurus kayo in your natal chart, no, baka you might want to check that out. The link is in the description box. The channel's name is All About Taurus. It's in English language. Kaya mga babes, no, tinan na natin dito mag-check na tayo ng energy ninyo. Saji. Mga messages for my Sagittarian people, please. This is for Sagittarius. Sagittarius. Spirits and angel guides, Archangel Michael, thank you so much for being here with us in this reading. Can we get messages for my Sagittarian people, please? Messages for Sagittarius. Okay, let's go. Ano ba mga mensahe dito for you, Saji? Tinatag na muna natin lahat. You have here the tower. Huwag niyong katakutan yan, mga babes, no? Yung iba kasi, no, nagugulat, no? Ay, ano ba yan? Power first message. Ayoko niyan, miss yan. Dilubyo yan, no? Not all the time. At saka alam ninyo, ang tower is gising moment, no? Yan ang magpapa-awaken, no? Gigising sa inyo, magmumulat sa inyo, at maghahatid sa inyo, no, sa kung saan talaga kayo dapat na mapunta or kung ano talaga yung deserve ninyo. Pero tingnan muna natin lahat, ilatag natin para makakuha tayo ng clear information about this one. Yan, no, this tower brings a lot of healing sa inyo. Yan, no, ganda nun. Okay? Yung tower na yan, maghahatid sa inyo. You could be seeing a lot angel number 444 or you could be seeing a lot of number 4s. Yan, no? Especially if this is you na very family-oriented ka, pamilya muna, no? Yan, you are the provider. Doesn't have to be na breadwinner ka, pero you want to provide here for your family, Saji, no? At kung ano man to, no, na sitwasyon na to, yes, tower right here is nakakagulat, sudden, drastic, might be painful, might be intense, might be shocking, pero it will bring a lot of kapayapaan to you. Peace, calmness, serenity. And I'm seeing you na yung iba na gustong makaipon dito, makakaipon ka na, mahal. Yes, no, kahit hindi mo pa yan isama sa New Year's resolution mo, no, kahit November pa lamang ngayon, makakaipon ka na. So, this tower here, no, na biglaan, no, example nito, bigyan ko kayo, no, kahit hindi pa natin binabagsak ang tatlong natitirang energies na ilalagay natin yan, pero nakukuha na natin dito ang mga mensahe for you guys. Example, ikaw to, no, nasama ka ron sa pagtatanggal sa trabaho, no? Pero, yung pagkatanggal na yun sa trabaho, no, nakaramdam ka ng bigat ng kalooban. No? Paano na to? Saan ako kukuha ng pang gastos namin for everyday? Or ano na to, yung pangangailangan namin? Paano ko mapoprovide yung pangangailangan ng pamilya ko? No? You do not know that that tower is actually beautiful. Kasi merong kasunod na healing. Kung ano man to, alam niyo yung healing in Tagalog? Paghilom. So whatever the case may be, may paghilom. Regalo ito. Yun ang dapat ninyong maintindihan. Huwag ninyong katakutan. Energy readers kasi yung iba, they like, alam mo yon, no? That's why may mga energy readers, no, na napapansin ako, yan, no. They tend to magpasok, ng detalye sa mga mind ng mga viewers na yung tower is dapat nilang katakutan. Oh no, gumaganyan sila or, "Uy, what?" Parang gano'n, 'no. Pero dapat talaga hindi. Kasi tower is a major arcana, mga mahal. The universe interferes in this type of situation sa life mo para ayusin ito at hindi guluhin. So whatever the case may be, Sagittarius, this is a beautiful tower here. Kaya pag nanonood kayo ng energy readings, huwag kayong matakot, no? Pag makita ninyo sa reading itong tower na to. Okay? Oo, sige, iiyak ka. O, sige, masakit yan. O, sige, problema yan. Pero, ang kasunod niyan ay pagpapala, biyaya, no? At kaligayahang iyong matatamasa. Okay? So, yung iba, example lang yun, no? Pero yung iba mga babes, no? Yung tower na yan. O, sige, sabihin na natin, no? Yung tower na yan, yan yung pinaghiwalay kayo ng jowa mo na materialistic. Example lang. 'Di ba? Nung tinanggal siya sa buhay mo, very sudden, very unexpected, very shocking to you. 'Di ba? Pero ang sumunod ay paghilom. A lot of healing right here. Yan, dito ka na mas nakapagsimulang mag-ipon, makapagpundar for yourself. Dito mo na mas na-provide sa sarili mo, mas nag-focus ka na in providing the needs of your family here, yourself. See? There's balance. 'Di ba? Hindi na napupunta sa materialistic na mga bagay-bagay, no? Sa mga ex mo or I mean dun sa person mo na yun na ex mo na. 'Di ba? Kasi tinanggal siya sa buhay mo dahil may rason. At ang rason na yun, ikaw ang magbe-benefit nun. 'Di ba? See? The sun told ya. Sabi ko sa'yo, kahit hindi pa natin ibagsak ito, see, these are major arcanas. That tower brings happiness, clarity, no? Kasaganaan, abundance, brings light to your life. Galit ka ba, miss yan? Hindi mga babes, no? Kasi gusto kong sabihin sa inyo, no? Yan, kasi alam mo, naalala ko lang, yan, no? Other people, kini-question nila kasi yung age ko daw ganito or yung sinasabi ko baka hindi naman ako totoo na energy reader or light worker, ganyan, no? Pero I'm reading, not just based on cards. Yung cards sumasabay lang, pero yung energy binabasa ko. So whatever the case may be, I'm true to my purpose here. So if I'm talking to you and this reading is resonating you, to each and every Sagittarian people, kasunod niyan is kaligayahang tunay, genuine happiness for you, Sagittarius. That tower will bring you to the place kung saan ka talaga dapat mapunta. Yung deserve mo, mahal. Okay? There's a lot of happiness. If that's a relationship, tinanggal yan kasi mapupunta ka sa deserve mo na relationship. Yung talagang taong mag-aalaga at magmamahal, mag-aaraga sa'yo, tatanggapin ka bilang ikaw at hindi mo kailangan magpanggap. You can be comfortable, di ba? With that person here. Okay? Even without makeup or even hindi ka mag-ayos, this person finds you beautiful and handsome. This person will accept you for who you are. If that's that work na tinanggal sa'yo rito without you even knowing, bigla ka na lang natanggal dyan sa work na yan, no, you will be redirected here to another workplace or might be business na magiging plakado for you, okay? Na mag-a-ascend yung money mo. Na dyan ka pala talaga dapat mapunta. Okay? If that's not the case for others of you, could be moving out from that place, lipat ng bahay dito kasi nakaka-drain pala ng energy, no? Pinaalis kayo ng pinangungupahan ninyo, nagbabayad naman kayo and all of those things, no? That tower moment will bring you to that more peaceful environment where there's lots of good connections, healthy people, walang chismosa. Those people na makikilala mo, no, is yung mga makakatulong sa'yo. See? Told ya, guys. Diba? A lot of healing right here and this is your judgment. You have already 3 major arcanas here. So definitely the universe is pumasok na sa eksena ng buhay mo. See? I'm talking about healthy connections here. Okay? This is a healthy you. You are connected to your soul. You are connecting with the universe right here, Two of Cups energy, and you will be connected with the people that is also good for your heart. good for your soul, good for your well-being. Diba? So yeah, yun ang nakikita ko rito. No? So kung hindi mo yan naiintindihan right now, yung sinasabi ko dito, no, is yung sana magbigay ng enlightenment for you guys. See? Whatever it is, okay? Nakikita kitang magiging kontento, magiging fulfilling itong situation na to for you na pupuntahan mo at nakikita kong mas mag-i-improve ang buhay mo plus yung well-being mo, no? Yung all areas of your life mo rito. Queen of Coins energy, you're staying grounded, staying humble in the situation, gaining here, okay, that abundance and prosperity. Napapaligiran ka rito ng mga bulaklak, a lot of greeneries, there's trees right here, no? But still, being humble in this situation. Yeah, Queen of Wands energy right here together with this. Yeah, I'm seeing na meron ka rito talagang matatagpo ang bagong pag-ibig. Wala tayong gender dito, no? Mga babes, just take how this resonates. Pero kung sino man siya, this person here is makikilala mo, no? Tutulungan ka nito, whether trabaho man yan, or whether new relationship ito, partnership man to sa iba, no? Matutulungan ka niya rito upang mas makaahon dito sa sitwasyon na ito. Yeah, you're moving into calmer waters because of this new person here that will come into your life. Yeah, sa iba, doesn't have to be na romantic situation yan. Pwedeng partner mo yan or business partner mo sa trabaho. Pero for others, this person here will help you get out from that situation, no? Okay? Mai-involve ka romantically involved with that person here. So, wow! Sabi ko sa inyo mga babes, no? Tsaka, ang maganda rito, no? Age doesn't matter naman. Pero nakikita ko na kung sino man yan, no? Dito sa reading na ito, I'm strongly getting right here na halos magkaedad kayo or baka same of age kayo rito. Or yung vibe na daladala niya is halos nagtatama yung inyong energy here. Okay? So this person right here is marami siya rito inaasikaso pero hindi ko nakikitang maneneglect or mapapabayaan kanya. So, thank you so much, Sagittarius. Claim these beautiful messages. Nakaka-motivate ito for me pa lang, guys, no? So, sana nakatulong itong video na to, no? So, thank you so much, everyone. Sana ngayon, love and light. Happy Sunday. Annyeong!